Section 4 is about a boring topic that we business owners do not like to talk about, but it is essential. I don't care if you're going to open up a lemonade stand on the side of the road, I guarantee you there's some type of licensing, insurance, and compliance issue that you're going to face. Often, this is the step that's entirely overlooked because, hey, I'm just doing a little side business, this doesn't matter. And yes, it matters. That's what we're going to talk about in this section. We're going to hit on some things like local, state, and even industry licenses. We're not going to get into specific industry. We just want to ask questions to make you think about what you're doing. Heck, you may be teaching piano lessons out of your home at your local HOA and not realize that there's zoning requirements and rules regulating that. I know, for instance, in my HOA that that's the case. So if you haven't registered properly to hire employees and you're out there just willy-nilly getting people off the road to come work for you, you're setting yourself up for some bad things. So you want to make sure the tax and the labor accounts are established and you have the right insurance. We've talked about this in earlier episodes. Hopefully you have already met with one of those advisors, the insurance guy. Made sure you're covering your tail. And you want to ensure that compliance is happening from day one, not later. Want to avoid surprises. So let's dive into this and see what's going on.